There is nothing worse than stepping on the gas expecting that turbo boost to kick in, and instead, the car hesitates and feels sluggish. If you are seeing code P2587, it points directly to the turbo boost control position sensor B circuit. Let's break down what is happening under the hood. Your turbocharger isn't just a spinning fan. It has vanes or a wastegate that controls how much pressure or boost it generates. The boost control position sensor tells the engine computer exactly where those vanes are positioned. If the computer tries to command more boost, but the sensor says the position hasn't changed, or if the electrical signal coming back is out of range, you get this code. It essentially means the brain of the car has lost touch with the turbo. Now, before you assume the turbo is blown, you need to separate mechanical issues from electrical ones. A very common cause here is actually simpler than a sensor failure. Check for boost leaks first. If you have a cracked intercooler hose or a loose clamp, the pressure will escape, and the sensor readings won't match the computer's calculations. If the plumbing is tight, then we look at the sensor. It is usually bolted right onto the turbo housing. Since it sits in a high heat and vibration area, the wiring is the usual suspect. Inspect the connector for melted plastic or bare wires touching metal, which causes a short. If the visual check passes, grab your voltmeter. You should typically see a 5-volt reference signal coming to the sensor from the computer. If you have 5 volts going in but the signal coming out does not change when the engine is revved or key is cycled, the sensor is likely dead. However, if there is no voltage getting to it, you are chasing a wiring break further up the line. Don't rush to replace the whole turbocharger until you have confirmed it is not just a $10 wiring fix or a bad sensor.